Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Ajit-teaches. Today I'm going to talk about an important discussion which I had with one of the guy from LinkedIn. He called me today. He was an IT guy. He had some experience in IT and he wanted to move his career into network security and he was seeking guidance on it. I would say yes, you can definitely go with network security after IT because that's a very natural progression. But my take on this is pretty different. I would say in today's world, if you want to start your career into network security after spending some time into IT or even into networks, the natural progression for you should be cloud security rather than network security. Because network security, normally when I talk about network security, it all starts with learning firewalls. You will first spend your time in learning at least two products of firewall. Then you have to learn IPS, IDS, load balancers, and then you would seek a position into SOC as a L. If you are lucky, then you will get a job as a L1. L2, you will get, if you're unfortunate, then you will get a job of L2. Otherwise, you would have to start with L1, L2. Then the next thing comes to your mind is what's next? And then you will start thinking about cyber security, I would say cloud security. So my suggestion is instead of going into network security after spending considerable time into IT and networks, you should go for cloud security directly. Cloud security is more means cloud security is more wide. It deals with the organizational security in a whole as compared to the network security, which only deals with parameter. So in a cloud security, you will learn identity and access management, zero trust instead of parameter, workload security, data protection and encryption, DevSecOps, built-in compliance. So it will help you in learning many technologies in one, where it will help you in learning many technologies with one course. Let's take one example. If you simply go with AWS Solution Architect Associate, it will give you a knowledge of load balancers, not in depth, but yes, you will kind of expose to load balancers, firewalls, compliance, okay, compliance. So you see, in one certification itself, be it AWS, be it Azure, you can learn many aspects of security. And then an AWS Solution Architect Associate, I'm just taking as an example, it's not a security course. Once you do that AWS Solution Architect Associate or Azure Admin, then you can further strengthen your career into AWS security or Azure security, and later on, your gateway to cyber security and other areas of security becomes very easy as compared to network security. I'm not saying network security is bad. There are people who are working into network security, but if you're into IT or networks and try to think about moving into network security, then I would say go for cloud security instead of network security because that will really shorten the duration of your movement into cybersecurity, because ultimately after IT or networks, when you move into networks, work there for 2 years, and then you will move into, then you will start thinking about what next. So if you go directly into cloud security, then definitely that duration of 2 to 3 years which you will spend in networks will be reduced. And from cloud security, from cloud, you will move into cloud security and then later on move into different aspects of a security that becomes very easy. So that's my take on it. But again, people have their own choices. You can directly go ahead with it if you want to move into network security. And I also spent a considerable time in network security. I have spent around 15 years in network security. So I'm just telling it on the basis of my experience that cloud secure cloud and then later on cloud security is a better option for IT and network professionals, and even it is good for good security progression for network security professional also who wants to make their career into the technical field. In my next video, I will talk about how to move into cloud security. Wait for it then. Hope this helps.